How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after update. In this video I will show you two methods that will fix your problem. First, open Start and type Services. Locate WLAN Auto Config. Change the startup type to automatic. Now restart the service. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click Network Adapter and click on Uninstall. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.